హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ కేఎల్ నాయుడు. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. మన ఛానల్లో కెమిస్ట్రీ అండ్ మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాసెస్ అని ఆల్రెడీ రన్ అవుతున్నాయి, మీరు ఆల్రెడీ చూస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనండి, ఫిజిక్స్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా ఆల్రెడీ మన ఛానల్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయడానికి వెల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ ఉండే మిస్టర్ రెడ్డి రమణ గారు, ఓకేనా, 10 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ. సో ఆయన మన ఛానల్కి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సో మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు అది 100% యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఆయన కంటెంట్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా ఈయన ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ కూడా డీల్ చేస్తారు. సో ఖచ్చితంగా మన ఛానల్ని మీరు కొంచెం డెవలప్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇంకా టోటల్ సిలబస్ అనేది అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్.
Hi, dear students, welcome to my channel. My name is R. Ramana. My working experience is 10 years. I am also teached IP and MSET JEE Advanced. Today, I would like to discuss some important questions and objective before the IPS. ఆసిలేషన్స్లో ఫస్ట్ అమ్మ మనకి ఇందులో డిరైవ్ ఒక 8 marks క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇది డిరైవ్ an expression for time period of simple pendulum. Time period of simple pendulum. Derive an expression for time period of simple pendulum. And most important essay అండి ఇది, 8 marks వస్తుంది, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫైనల్గా ఇక్కడ చెప్పాల్సింది ఏంటంటే డిరైవ్ అన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ టైం పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ సింపుల్ పెండిలం. మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అండి ఇది, ఎస్ఏ 8 marks వస్తుంది. లెట్స్ గో టు ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ పెండిలం. అబౌట్ సింపుల్ పెండిలం అండి. Simple pendulum. Let's start here. We have to assume that it is a rigid support. Yes, when a inflexible wire is suspension by means of rigid support, one end is connected to rigid support, another end is connected to some metal sphere. The distance between center of the metal sphere, that means center of the sphere. Here metal sphere of center is O, and again the distance between outer edge of the radius vector R and center point of the sphere is O. The distance between rigid support and the center of the metal sphere is called length of the pendulum, L. Length of the pendulum. Here tension is always acting towards its center. Here it is center because of this pendulum is about oscillatory motion. Here center point is O, rigid support is S. We release the length of the pendulum. Now we get the another expression of formulate is by the consequence of diagram. Here it is a sphere of center formulate, center of the sphere. Rigid support is S. Tension is always acting towards its center, S, and the distance between center of the sphere and the rigid support is L. Now metal sphere pulled aside, some angular displacement is developed on the angular simple harmonic oscillation. Angular simple harmonic oscillation. So it is a mean position and there it is a extreme position where theta is always at the point of intersecting point is rigid support and the length of the pendulum L. This is length L. Here tension is always acting center. Here center point is O. This point is mean position. Now pulled aside, some angular displacement is theta. At extreme position, weight of the body mg is always acting vertically downwards. Weight of the sphere is mg, acting vertically downwards, and horizontal component is acting along the horizontal direction, mg cos theta, and restoring torque is developed towards its mean position, mg sin theta. Here makes an angle theta, this one also theta, because of alternating angles. Here both are, some displacement is x, both are center point at mean position and extreme position. Displacement is x, angular displacement is x. Now we can discuss the time period of a simple pendulum. Time period always measures t, so time period is always measures t. And consider derivation, derive time period t, derive time period t, derive time period t అండి ఇట్లా డిస్కస్ చేస్తారు టైం పీరియడ్. Let us consider this is a rigid support is S, point of suspension of wire is L, and another end is metal sphere. Metal sphere is suspension by means of rigid support. Metal sphere weight is always acting vertically downwards. This weight is mg, acting vertically downwards. Center point is O. This point is mean position. Some angular the sphere is pulled aside. Some angular displacement is x. At extreme position theta. At extreme position is A. At A point, weight of the body is always acting vertically downwards, and weight can be resolved into two components. First one is mg cos theta, second one is mg sin theta. Here two components. First one is mg cos theta. Here first one is mg cos theta, which balances the tangential force, that is tension in the string. Mg cos theta is balances tension in the string. T means tension in the string and second one is here at A point, at extreme position, this point is A. At A point, weight is always acting vertically downwards. Weight can be resolved into two components. First one is horizontal component is mg cos theta, and vertical component is mg sin theta. Mg cos theta is balances the tangential force in the string. Mg sin theta is restoring force. It is always acting towards its center O. At point A, theta is alternating angles. So theta itla rastarandi ikkada. And second one is, first one is mg cos theta. Second one is mg sin theta. mg sin theta. Mg sin theta is acting, mg sin theta is acting towards mean position, towards mean position, towards mean position. ఇట్లా రాయొచ్చండి, towards mean position. Here some at mean position mg sin theta is towards mean position. At the same time some restoring force developed in the wire. Restoring force is, therefore restoring force is F equal to minus mg sin theta. Here therefore whether it is used here F equal to restoring force F equal to minus mg sin theta. Here negative sign indicates, here negative sign indicates, negative sign indicates both are opposite direction. Here negative sign indicates displacement and force are opposite direction to each other. Negative sign indicates opposite direction to the opposite direction to the applied force, opposite direction to the applied force and applied force. Therefore main one is F equal to minus mg sin theta, where m is the mass of the sphere, g is the acceleration due to gravity of the sphere, theta is the angular displacement, and again this force is acts towards its center. Here negative sign indicates opposite direction to the applied force F. Opposite direction to the applied force is F. And second one is time period. Calculate చేస్తారండి ఇక్కడ. Second one is now coming to the point of restoring force, F equal to minus mg sin theta. Here we know that theta is small displacement. Some small angular displacement. We know that very small displacement sin theta is always negligible theta. With less than or equal to 5 degree. Sin theta is always negligible theta. Therefore F equal to minus mg theta. Here it is replaced by sin theta is always theta. F equal to minus mg theta. From Newton's second law of motion, F equal to ma. Compare above two equations. F equal to ma and minus mg theta. Here it is left side m, right side m, both are cancelled to each other. Here finally is a equal to minus g theta. This is equation number 1, where g equal to acceleration due to gravity, a equal to angular acceleration, that numerically equals to acceleration. Here acceleration due to gravity, theta is the angular displacement. And again finally in the from diagram some angular displacement, theta is at the making an angle, theta is center point is S, origin O, at extreme position A, this is makes an angle arc length by the mathematical formulate SOA is a right angle triangle. We can get arc length. That point is this one is displacement x, theta, length L, tension T, theta. From diagram mathematical formulate angle theta equal to arc by arc means arc displacement S1, this SOA is a arc, small arc, by the example of cone by the shape of cone, that is angle theta equal to arc by radius R. That means radius is replaced, this one is radius measures, radius replaced is L, theta equal to x by L. Finally theta equal to x by L. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get, from equations 1 and 2 we get, from equation 1 and 2 we get theta equal to, theta value is substitute above equation formulate 1. Finally acceleration A equal to minus g into theta means x by L, A equal to minus g by L into x. This is equation number 3. Acceleration A equal to minus g by L into x. Here acceleration is always acting towards its center by the applying force is F, small displacement x, L is the length. Finally here g by L is constant. Here g by L is constant. So above equation represents SHM equation. Above equation represents SHM equation, A equal to minus g by L into x. SHM, where here A is the omega, SHM equation, here omega is the angular velocity. Here omega is the angular velocity. Omega is the angular velocity. Angular acceleration is always measures towards center. Therefore A equal to minus omega square y. This is equation number 3. Here whether it is taken as y or x, both are same. So A equal to minus omega square x. Equating equations 3 and 4. Equating equations 3 and 4. 3, 4 both are LHS is same. RHS is same. Equating 3 and 4, equating equations 3 and 4, we get minus omega square x equal to minus g by L into x. Both sides x is cancelled to each other and negative sign is also cancelled to each other. Finally, resultant equation is taken to be omega square equal to g by L. That implies omega equal to root over g by L, where omega is the angular velocity. Omega is the angular velocity. Time period is always measures t pi by omega. Last one is time period. Time period is t. Time period is t. Final formula, this diagram from above shown in figure or diagram. Final formula is time period. Time period t is 2 pi by omega. Time period is 2 pi by omega. Here omega value is substituted in this equation. Finally, time period t equal to 2 pi by omega is taken to be root over g by L. Root over g by L. Time period t equal to 2 pi into root over L by z. That means here denominator value is replacing to reciprocal of this system. Time period of equation t equal to 2 pi root over g by L. That is t equal to 2 pi into root over L by z. Here final equation is time period. This one enough to 8 marks. Where L equal to length of the pendulum. Length of the pendulum. Length of the pendulum. G equal to acceleration due to gravity is taken to be 9.8. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. This value is 9.8 centimeter per meter per second square. Meter per second square. Meter per second square. Here, what is simple pendulum and what is seconds pendulum? Finally, seconds pendulum. Seconds pendulum. What is seconds pendulum? A pendulum whose time period is taken to be 2 seconds. A pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. Whose time period is 2 seconds. 2 seconds is called seconds pendulum. Seconds pendulum. A pendulum whose time period 2 seconds is called seconds pendulum. Here, therefore, time period is t equal to 2 seconds. Then t square equal to 4 seconds. Finally, length of the pendulum is L equal to 100 centimeters or 1 meter. This one length of the pendulum taken to be 0 or undetermined function. Finally, L equal to 100 centimeters. Final one is, this one is CGS system is 100 centimeters. SI system is 1 meter. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Again, repeated it. Thank you. Thank you for watching video.